take these off because of the reflection. Hey y'all, so we back at it. I have let me see my snacks. I have a bunch of stuff from, drumroll, Shein. So I bit the bullet. I ordered some stuff. They got some really cute packaging, y'all. Really cute. Let's see what it's giving. So I have not opened any of this stuff yet. So we're going to get into it and we're going to start opening stuff. All right. It's going to be first pass. I haven't opened it. I just seen it through the packaging. So we doing this together. So whatever reactions I have, it's going to be real life. Real life. Okay. So first one is a pair of jeans. Let's see. At the end, I'm going to try everything on together, but yeah. Ooh. So I got these wide leg jeans because they're on trend right now, and I don't have any. I have a bunch of skinny jeans, I have some slim fit, and I have a couple pairs of mom jeans and a pair of straight jeans. But I don't have any wide leg jeans, and I like how they look on everybody. So I was like, I need to try some. So I got some of these. First glance, they look good. I got a size 8. So 8'10", so we'll see how that goes. But first glance, it looks like they'll fit good. So we shall find out. Let me try them on. You know what? I'm going to try them right now. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. I didn't want y'all to see my little booty, but I wanted it to be as authentic as possible. Okay. So we got them on. And how y'all think these fit? I tell you right here, it feel kind of tight. But I did just eat. It looks nice on my butt. The fit of the pants legs looks nice. So we'll see. I'm gonna take pictures of them or in them, and I'm gonna post it to my Instagram. Moki's Wardrobe on Instagram. Look me up. I have it spelled out in the beginning of the video. But yeah. I like these. What y'all think? They are long, so I'd have to wear them with, why'd I say it like that? They long, but I'm gonna have to wear them with like some heels or something. Nothing flat, because they are long. But I like them. I'm not going higher than the 8'10". That's towards a 12'14", and we're just not going to accept that reality. So next, on to the next piece. Okay, now on to the next piece. I put on a tank top, that way I could put this on with y'all. Okay. The sweater, what's the front? Oh, okay, that's the front. Okay, so I bought this sweater. She's cute, little patchwork. I don't have nothing like that. Let's put her on. Okay, goes over my head. That's good. She a little snug, just a little bit. Okay. How y'all like it? I like it. She's good. She's good. She's very good. Kind of scratchy. So let's talk about this, right? It's scratchy. Okay. It's scratchy. I think I'm gonna send this back. I do love the colors. I just feel itchy. Like, I don't know. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's itchy. I am itchy. And where I have, like, where my tank top is covering me, I'm not itchy. So I'm like, should I just wear like a thin little long sleeve underneath this? But I feel like I shouldn't have to do that since this is a sweater. I should just be able to rock with this in a tank top and be good. I don't know. I also feel like I need a bigger size. What size is this? Did the bag say? Okay, the bag. This is a medium. So I should have got a large. But guess what? I'm not buying no larges. So yeah, no, this is a no. This is going to have to go back. And I forgot to mention, these jeans have no stretch. So whatever your size is, go up. I'm not going to do that because I like these and I'm not going up to 12, 14. But whatever your size is, go up. That's my advice. This shirt, don't buy it. Okay, so next thing is a cardigan. So let's open this up. All right. So first thing I can say is the color is true to the picture online. Just like that sweater was, and just like these jeans are, all the colors are true. Let's see. I can't unbutton it. It's taking too long, so I'm gonna just put it on. It's big enough to do that. Okay. She's on. Let me adjust you real quick. Ooh, I covered you up. Okay. What y'all think? I thought it was gonna be baggier. Ooh. Still trying to unbutton these buttons. I thought it was gonna be baggier than this. And it's really hard to unbutton this sweater. It's like the holes aren't big enough. It's like, yeah, okay, you did it small enough where the buttons ain't gonna just keep coming out. But now I'm scared that I'm gonna pop these buttons off because I'm trying to force it. I don't know. I don't know where it cut off, but in case you didn't hear me, because I don't know where it cut, I had said these buttons, okay, for one, the buttons, I feel like I'm going to pop them if I keep trying to unbutton it. I feel like I'm going to pop it. Another thing, it's not as baggy as I thought it would be. It's not a bad fit. It's just not, I thought it was going to be an oversized cardigan, but it's not. But I mean, when I have it off the shoulder like this, y'all let me know, does it look oversized now? Does it look baggy? Because that's what I thought it was going to give, and it's not giving. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. But I mean, I do like the colors. I like the colors of it. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to style it, and we'll see. We'll see. I'll take pictures in it, and I'll post it to Instagram, and y'all let me know what you think. But it's looking like I might have to return it. I'm not returning and getting something else. I'm just getting my money back, but I might have to just return it. We'll see. But we're gonna go to the next item. I almost forgot to show y'all the next thing, but I didn't take it out the bag yet. So I have another cardigan. So yeah, I have another cardigan. So let's see what it's giving. I dropped a little thingy. Let's see what it's giving. Alright. She might be oversized. How y'all like that print? I like it. This is also true to picture. Let's see. She smells like a baby doll. Okay. Let's sash it now. Is there a spot? Oh. Okay, it comes with a little tie, but there's no loops. Okay, I guess I can just tie it wherever I want to. I need to put my glasses on because I can't see into the camera from here. Huh. What y'all think about it? It's giving me bathrobe. It's giving me in the house. I like the colors though, so I don't know. I think I just bought a shirt that would be cute underneath this, but I don't know. It's I don't know. It's cute. It's cute. Maybe it's the sash. Was it the sash? This also has no pockets. And it smells like a baby doll. And that's not a good thing. It smells like plastic children. I don't hate it. Like, I don't hate it, but I'm just not sure if I like it. And if I spent money, which I did, I should love it. I just like the print. Like this and that other sweater and the other cardigan, I like the print, not necessarily the item. Like this is thin. Nah, it's not thin. This would be nice for spring. I don't know, girl. This might have to go back too. It's looking real sad for Shein. Okay, so let me fix this camera now because we're not doing clothes anymore. Okay, so honestly, I could have kept on that sweater, but it was smelling like an old lady's ball of yarn and a little dirty baby doll. So I had to take it off. But we got the next item, and I'm pretty sure I ordered 2 purses. So yeah, let's get to that. Stink. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. This is the bag, though. This is the bag. It's a cute color. Woo! Woo! Put this back in the bag. Ooh, Lord Jesus Christ. It smells like fish and plastic. Wrap this up. I see why this was wrapped up so tight. Take it back. Woo. Lord, no. That's going back. I don't want it to air out. It probably could air out and smell, you know, like nothing. But no. No. It stink. I don't want that. I don't want that smell in here. It stinks. It looks cheap. It feels cheap. No. That's going back. I don't want that. Next bag. If this stank too, it's going back. It's a pretty color, but it's going back. And I want to say that does not look like it looks like the bag that's online. Let me not say it though. It looked like the bag that's online, but the one online didn't look cheap. Okay. It's not as bad as that. This smells like luggage, but still, this handle is cheap. she's real flimsy. She's giving me flimsy, she's giving me child, she's giving me plaything. There's a loose thread here. Yeah, no. No. Okay, y'all, so that was it. That was the stuff that I bought from Shein. I think I spent like $140 something. There was a coupon code, so there's that. And then I think things were already on sale, I think. But yeah, so I spent $141 on those items, and everything was very cheap. I like the jeans, so I'm going to keep the jeans. Everything else can go back, like I said. Real cheaply made. The purses smell. They smell. The sweaters, cheap. Very much so. You know, I don't know if you've ever gone into like a Walgreens. I think it's CVS, and they be selling clothes. They would sell these clothes in there. This is what they would have. Forever 21 makes better quality clothes. You know, and that's saying a lot. That's saying a lot. I would not suggest. Now, hold on. So they do have this really nice return policy. First exchange / return is free on them. So I guess on each order. So this is going to be a free return. So that's good, because I don't have to pay to send this stuff back, which would make me not want to buy things in the first place if I had to pay for return shipping. But that's great that I can send this back. So do buy something from there and try it out for yourself, because like I said, the jeans worked out, but the rest of the stuff is a HELL what? It's a no. It's a no, okay? It is a hex no on this stuff. Never again will I buy a sweater from Shein. I'm going to try dresses next whenever I do buy from them. I'll try some more pairs of jeans to see if the quality is consistent. I heard that the premium section of Shein is really nice, so maybe I'll dip into that. But regular stuff, some tops, no. But, you know, shop at your own risk, like anywhere you shop at. But thanks for checking in again. We're going to do something pretty soon again. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Bye.